Curiosity is linked to higher life satisfaction. You know who has an amazing ability to wonder? Are toddlers. Stay in a room with a toddler for 5 minutes and count how many times they ask the question, why? It's exhausting. Just the other day, I was in the car with my son. He was unusually quiet. He breaks the silence by saying, "Mom, what's heaven like?" Oh, that's an excellent question. You see, none of us on earth have been to heaven, so we don't know what it's like. What do you think it's like? He looked back out the window and his eyebrows were furrowed. He was thinking really hard. He turns back to me and he says, "I think heaven's dusty." He went on to explain that heaven's dusty because it's old, right? It's sound logic. Be curious about life. Don't just stop at burnout prevention. If you really want to renew your life and have purpose and fulfillment, live burnout free and wake up excited to start the day.